Welcome, data detectives. Let's embark on a journey through the fascinating world of decision trees, where we explore how simple questions can lead to powerful predictions. Think of a decision tree as a roadmap, guiding us through a series of choices to reach a specific destination. In our case, that destination is understanding new data and making accurate predictions based on it. Imagine you're lost in a forest. To find your way out, you ask yourself questions. Is there a river nearby? Can I see the sun through the trees? Each answer branches you down a different path, closer to your goal. That's exactly how a decision tree works. Here's how it breaks down. Nodes. These are the decision points, containing yes or no questions about the data. Branches. Each answer at a node leads to a different branch, representing possible paths through the tree. Leaves. These are the endpoints of the branches, where we finally classify the data. So, what can we use decision trees for? Predicting weather, customer churn, loan defaults, you name it. Decision trees can help us understand what factors influence outcomes. Classifying images, texts, even medical diagnoses. By asking the right questions, we can sort data into different categories. Understanding data becomes less black box. Decision trees reveal the why behind predictions, providing valuable insights. But why choose a decision tree over other fancy algorithms? Simple to understand, even beginners can grasp how they work, making them great for learning the ropes of machine learning. Interpretable. Unlike some complex models, decision trees show us the clear path to a prediction, helping us trust and improve their performance. Robust to noise. They can handle messy data with missing values or inconsistencies, making them adaptable to real-world situations. Now, let's see a decision tree in action. Suppose we want to predict if a mushroom is edible or poisonous based on its features like cap color, stalk shape, and spore print. We'd build a tree with questions about these features at each node, leading to edible or poisonous leaves based on the answers. By following this decision path, we can classify any new mushroom we encounter. This is just the beginning of our journey with decision trees. As we explore further, we'll learn about splitting criteria. How do we choose the best questions to ask at each node? Overfitting. Avoiding trees that are too focused on specific data and can't generalize. Ensembles. Combining multiple decision trees for even better results. So, grab your curiosity hats and get ready to dive deeper into the world of decision trees. Remember, every node is a chance to learn, every branch a path to discovery. Let's unravel the secrets of data together. P.S. Keep in mind that while decision trees are powerful tools, they also have limitations. They can be sensitive to irrelevant features and struggle with complex relationships in data. However, with careful training and exploration, they can be valuable allies in your data adventures. I hope this lecture sparks your interest in decision trees and their many applications. I'm here to guide you on this exciting journey, so feel free to ask any questions that come to mind. Let's explore the forest of data together.